Hey guys, Adam Modell here with Wildwood, and today I'm proud to bring you the 2023 Wildwood 26D Bud. Let's go take a look. So as we walk into the 26D Bud, the first thing I want to point out to you is going to be our Versa Lounge. The Versa Lounge is the ultimate versatility in all of RV furniture. Not only do you see you have an L-lounge sofa, you get actually an L-lounge dinette, but there's also two additional configurations into this one. Let me show you. Well, first, you're gonna have this. Plenty of room. I'm 6 foot. I got all the room in the world, okay? Switch it around, and it's this simple, this fast. The back comes off. We're gonna flip it around, just like that. Filler cushion, boom. Now we have a smaller sofa with a full U-shaped dinette all in one. And last, but certainly not least, all of this will fold down into one large bed. So if you have any 12-foot kids, they can sleep there. Not only in addition to those three configurations we just talked about, but you get massive amounts of storage. Let me show you. You're gonna get 5 Stow N Go bins, 3 under the sofa, and 1 on each side of the dinette to give you 5 total Stow N Go bins. Now, that storage. Now, let's talk about the bunks. As we go to the back of the 26D Bud, you're gonna see 2 bunk beds, one on the top, one on the bottom. It also will have a ladder pre-installed. This is stainless steel, does not come off, okay? So not only do you have the 2 bunk beds, but you're also gonna have another additional feature, which again plays into our versatility. That's gonna be this. Pop that up. This here is designed for bicycles, extra camping gear, or anything you can imagine. So again, 2 bunk beds and unlimited amounts of storage in the rear of this unit. Another great feature of the 26D Bud is going to be the main bathroom. The bathroom is amazing simply because not only is it nice and spacious, but you do have an entry-exit door in the bathroom. Benefit is that if you're out camping and the kids are getting dirty, you do not want them dragging in mud, sand, or whatever coming in your camper to go to the bathroom. So entry-exit door to the bathroom, can't beat that. As we continue on to the kitchen, first couple things I want to point out to you is number 1, the pantry. This pantry is absolutely enormous. Plenty of room for all your canned goods, cereals, etc. There is more than enough room for the camper, okay? We're gonna come around to our brand new beautiful Ever-Chill 10 cubic foot glass front metallic refrigerator. I mean, this thing is amazing. It looks good, it chills well. I mean, this thing is just top of the line. All right, we're also gonna have a nice oven, microwave, beautiful big panoramic window inside the kitchen, simply because if mom and pop is sitting here cooking, doing dishes, they can actually still look out and still feel like they're part of the family and part of the camping experience because we have such a big window in our kitchen, okay? Gonna come down here to a little bit more storage. This here is going to be our active Susie. So again, you're gonna have the 1 door front, but you're gonna have 3 individual drawers that pull out. This gives you about 33.5% more storage because of how we utilize the space in this cabinet. Okay, they all fold in. Nice door front, there it is, okay? Nice sink, plenty of counter space. You're gonna have beautiful cabinets above with plenty of room. Nice frosted residential front look. I mean, this thing is just dialed in completely. So this is the kitchen of the 26D Bud. As we work our way to the middle of the unit, what I want to point out first and foremost is going to be this door here. So right in the entryway, you're gonna have a huge, another pantry or coat closet if you want to remove those, but you're gonna have a nice additional amount of storage right here at the entry in addition to the big pantry we saw earlier, okay? So that's a very nice touch there. Also, something new for 2023, we're going to have a brand new TV cabinet, if you want to call it that, okay? So you're gonna see this clip here. This will open up and you're gonna have an enormous amount of storage behind it. So we utilize that area behind this, that way if you want a DVD player, Blu-ray, whatever your case may be, you can store it there as well. Also, the door, we decided to swing this way. The reason is because hypothetically, if you get in a situation where it comes out or you forget to put it in and the slide comes in, okay, it's not going to damage it, it's going to work with it, okay? Which is nice. One less thing to think about while you're enjoying your camping trip. I'm gonna bring your eyes slowly down to our brand new mirror front fireplace. I mean, look at this thing. I mean, not only is it gonna put out some heat and it's a fireplace, but it has a beautiful beautiful aesthetic to it that kind of resembles like a high-end hotel or something, you know? But again, this is gonna be our brand new 2023 mirror front fireplace, and we redesigned the storage below the fireplace. So if you wanna have shoes or, you know, pet dishes or whatever you can think of, again, more storage below in addition to the mirror front, okay? Let's go on to the bedroom, and let's keep this thing moving. As we come into the bedroom of the 26D bud, the first thing I want to point out is the fact that we have increased our bed size. That's right, we have increased the bed size in this unit. This is now a king bed. It's going to be 66 by 78. And if you look at the corners, what we have done, we've actually neo-angled the corners to give you more walk-around room in the bedroom. So not only is it a larger bed, but inevitably, you actually have more room to walk around it. So, crazy thing, but king bed with more walk-around availability. Gonna raise it up, we still have our full pass-through storage below with our 4 totes, used at your pleasure. Also have a shoe nook below for all of your shoe needs. Gonna come around to probably the second best feature in the bedroom now, is going to be a full walk-in closet. That's right, a 26 foot with a full walk-in closet. Not only do you have hanging space, but you have a shelf on the top and its own individual light with an actual door. Gonna come around to the side, you're going to have a storage bin here with a laundry chute. The laundry chute is actually designed with an antimicrobial net that will not rot, mold, or mildew in case it gets wet. The beauty of this is that you can actually take your swimsuits, your towels, anything you can think of, put it in here, shut it, and then access it from the outside. So again, it's all about versatility and convenience in the brand new Wildwood 26D bud. On the outside, I want to point out first and foremost is going to be the full pass-through storage. All right, full pass-through all the way from this side to that side. You will have access from the bed that lifts up. Also, this is going to be where I talked about the antimicrobial laundry chute, okay? So it does attach to the back of the cabinet there. You can basically just put it in there, zip tie it up, take it to the laundromat, and clean it. Bring it back, you're done, okay? Last, but certainly not least, we're going to have the dry erase board on the back of the storage compartments. The biggest benefit to this is if, you know, you can have a to-do list, a don't forget list, or what it is list. Regardless, it will have an extra area for you to utilize, to use, to forget something that you may not want to forget. Moving on to the side of the 26D bud, I want to talk about the outside kitchen. This is basically going to be our camper kitchen. It's going to include a refrigerator by Everchill. You're also going to have a cooktop, a griddle. So if you want to cook any sausages or breakfast, feel free to do it. Just push it right back in, out of the way. Your door comes back up. Good to go. I want to bring your attention to something new for this year. Going to be our FRP fiberglass reinforced plastic wheel wells. What you're looking at here is going to cover both wheels, and it's designed to give it a nice custom look, and it's going to help protect your sidewall as well. Again, this is our fiberglass reinforced plastic wheel wells for 2023. Last, but certainly not least, one of the biggest benefits of the 26D bud is going to be what is behind this door right here. Let's check it out. I think we're good. You'll see why I knocked in just a second. Bathroom. What a nice feature to have a bathroom entry-exit door in a camper. Again, like I talked about earlier, you're not gonna have anybody trampling through, getting your camper muddy to go to the bathroom. You're in, you're out, good to go. But remember, use with caution. You always wanna knock. Thanks again for stopping by and checking out the brand new 2023 Wildwood 26D bud. We appreciate you stopping through. And if you want any more information or floor plans or etc., go to our website, forestriverinc.com/Wildwood. Thanks again, guys.